Planning to maximize your van, truck, trailer, boat, or fleet of vehicles for advertising. From custom vinyl lettering to spot graphics and full vehicle graphics, Revolution Vinyl is the top vinyl graphic installation company in Ogden, Utah. You can also utilize custom vinyl lettering for personal, aesthetic, or advertising purposes. For those wanting an affordable fleet graphic solution, Spot Graphics can communicate your brand message on a budget. Wrapping your company vans, pickup trucks, or box trucks in full vehicle graphics transforms them into mobile billboards, and the larger they are, the greater the effect of this billboard in terms of its visibility and advertising reach. Ready to wrap your vehicle with awesome vinyl graphics? Contact Revolution Vinyl today at 801-645-8429.